Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do a short flight from Langkawi International Airport, where I am right now, to Kuala Lumpur on Malaysian Airlines 737 aircraft in economy class. So let's first check in. Let's check in. Alright, all checked in. Let's go and look for the lounge. I think it's a Plaza Premium Lounge, which should be just around this corner here. Cool. Let's check it out. So, not a very big lounge, and they don't really have a lot of snacks at the moment because COVID. There's only the chicken rice, pasta, and some sandwiches. There is also tea and just Sprite or Coca-Cola. I got myself a Coke Light. Overall, not a huge space. Feels more like a restaurant than a lounge. Okay, so that was a Plaza Premium Lounge. Very small, not a lot of sitting areas, but then again, not very crowded. I don't think there's a lot of international travelers because of COVID. So, well, anyways, it did the trick. I did spend some time there, half an hour, got a drink, got something to eat. So I'm ready to go for my departures, just right in front. So flying me back to KL this evening is this 10-year-old Boeing 737 aircraft. Now, a lot of people actually likes to walk on the tarmac so that they can take a better picture of the aircraft itself. Personally, I'm not a fan. What about you? Now, Malaysian Airlines 737 aircraft is all fitted with 144 economy class seats, and they are configured in a way that has 30-inch of pitch and 17-inch of width, much like this one here. So welcome on board this 737 aircraft. Today's journey is just going to be about an hour. So I'm just going to do a quick seat tour. Standard seat, a color that doesn't usually go dirty. The seat itself is comfortable, but I don't think the legroom is as good as, say, ATR, but it's still not bad. I mean, it's an hour flight, can't complain. You have a tray table, not much use for an hour flight again. Seat pocket, again, these days with COVID you don't see a lot. And you have a screen. I didn't bring my headphones though today, so I'm not going to be watching anything aside from the flight map. And that's pretty much it. That's your economy seat. Malaysian Airlines also provides a hygiene kit, something which I've heard they've stopped providing. In this hygiene kit itself, you'll find a spare mask and a sanitizing wipe. I was told in longer flights they will actually provide a hand sanitizer. Now, as part of Malaysian Airlines and other airlines in the region and globally, I would think, to get confidence in the passengers in flying again, they show these videos before the flight takes off, basically about how they clean the cabin, using HEPA filters, etc. What do you think about these videos? Does it help to boost your confidence in flying again? Leave a comment in the comment section, and I'd like to really know about what people are thinking these days. It surely is a very interesting topic. Alrighty, let's cue that safety video and get ready for takeoff. Now, if you're lucky and you get on the right 737, you'll get an in-flight entertainment such as the one in front. Albeit it's not the most responsive IFE that you can find on an aircraft. It's actually quite slow and it's not very responsive. Then again, we were not given any headsets for this flight because it's just 1 hour. And so I spent most of the time actually looking on the flight map to figure out where we are. But as you can see, there is quite a lot of movies and some of them are fairly new, such as Space Jam, and some Marvel movies or DC movies are also available there. But without any headphones, I wasn't able to do anything. So flight map it is, and it works well. So that's all I need. Now, despite it's a 1 hour flight, you do get some light refreshments such as a packet of peanuts and an apple juice. That's good enough for an hour flight, right? And there you have it, a really short review this time. Well, I hope you find this video good, and I hope you have found all my videos so far to be very helpful in you deciding on which airline to take, what product to choose, and which hotel to stay. Now, if you have not seen all my hotel reviews that I've been staying in Langkawi, Aloft, Ritz-Carlton, and the best of all of them, the Datai Langkawi, please check them out. I'll be uploading another video next week, same time on a Wednesday, with all my travels in Langkawi. So stay tuned for that. And until next time, guys, take care and stay safe.